Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself Gaurav Pipara, second year law student, currently Legal Internet Lexis and Company. Today's our topic is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic rights which are guaranteed by the Constitution of India as a special protection to the citizens of a country. Is- Government have to ensure that fundamental rights are not denied to its citizens. In India, fundamental rights is also known as Magna Carta of India. It included in the Part 3rd of the Constitution in Article 12 to 35. Earlier, there were seven fundamental rights. Later on, right to property was removed and became a constitutional right under Article 300A. Now there are only six fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, rights against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Our first fundamental right is right to equality. Right to equality is guaranteed under Article 14 to 18 in Constitution of India. Right to equality refers to everyone is equal in the eyes of law. It prohibits discrimination on the grounds of sex, caste, and religion. It provides everyone equal opportunity of employment. Our next fundamental right is right to freedom. Right to freedom is guaranteed under Article 19 to 22 of the Constitution of India. It guarantees all the citizens of India with the freedom of speech and expression to practice any profession or to carry any occupation, trade, or business. Our third fundamental right is rights against exploitation. Rights against exploitation is guaranteed under Article 23 and 24. It mainly focuses on two provisions. First, the the abolition of human trafficking, and second, the abolition of child labor under the age of 14. Our fourth fundamental right is right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion is guaranteed under Article 25 to 28. It provides religious freedoms to all the citizens of a country to allow them to follow or practice any religion of their choice. The main objective behind this is to maintain secularism in the country. Right to freedom ensures that all the religions are equal in the eyes of state and none of them will be given a preference over the other. Our fifth fundamental right is cultural and educational right. Cultural and educational right is guaranteed under Article 29 and 30. It assures Indian citizens with the rights of education and cultures. It provides every citizen with equal opportunity of education and to give admission in the college without any discrimination. Our sixth fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies is guaranteed under Article 32 to 35. It empowers all the Indian citizens to move to the court of law whenever they denied with the fundamental rights. And in this Article 32 is also known as right to constitutional remedies, means right to protect and defend constitution. Thank you.